Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to enable a smart split setting and how to use it on Realme phone device. Friends, you want to use two screen on your Realme phone device, so how to enable and use two screen on Realme phone device. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, click on Realme phone tool setting. After on this tool setting friends, you can see screen recording, screenshot, capture settings, navigation setting. Friends, click on split screen setting, and friends you can see split screen setting is disabled, so we will enable. After enable guys, use your three finger on your app. So example guys, I will on Google app. Friends, use your three finger, and friends you can scroll your Google screen, and friends you can use one more screen. So with Google app friends, you want to on your YouTube app, so you can on YouTube app and you can use Google app with YouTube app. So friends, we can use dual screen, and friends you can increase and decrease this screen also size. You want to increase your Google phone screen size, you want to increase your YouTube screen, so you can increase it. So like that friends, you can use it. So guys, back here, and friends you can on your Google file. Friends, use your three finger, you can split screen. Friends, you want to on phone setting, so with Google file friends you can use your phone setting also, and you can adjust guys your screen size. So like that friends, we can enable dual screen setting, split screen setting, and we can use it. So friends, you want to on YouTube app with your file, so you can on YouTube app with file. Back here, so friends, use your three finger, swipe here, and you can use it. And friends, you don't want to use your split screen setting, friends click on phone setting, and friends scroll it. Friends, click on tool setting, again scroll, split screen setting, click here, and off your split screen. After off guys, you cannot use your split screen, your dual screen on your Realme phone device. So like that friends, we can split our screen and we can off. After off guys, we cannot use split screen on Realme phone device. You want to use guys, you will have to again enable from your phone setting, and direct friends you can enable from here. Search your split setting, and direct friends you can enable and you can use on your Realme phone device. Bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to enable and use dual screen split screen on Realme phone device. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.